bus.
Oh no! There's smoke coming from my car! Can you help me? Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. The problems have all been identified. Let's start fix. The wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem. Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! There are a lot of trash in the car. Let's clean it up. Trash should be thrown in the waste bin. Vacuum the paper scraps. The air conditioner is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean. Place pretty decorations in the car. We are done with cleaning up. It looks great!